I'm Michelle Toivnen, Director of Strategic Marketing here at Midwest Direct. We tried informed delivery. So this video is about what is informed delivery, how does informed delivery work. If you're a marketer using direct mail or an agency team member trying to add revenue with additional offerings, this video is for you. Thanks for checking in with us on how to add informed delivery email to your next campaign to gain access to this highly responsive email channel. Click the thumbs up to like and the bell to subscribe now so you don't miss any future updates with us. Informed delivery is still a relatively new customer-facing email service from the USPS that provides email recipients with an email showing scans of mail arriving in the mailbox that day. Marketers and agencies need to explore using informed delivery email as another channel to create better brand awareness, improved response rates, and to add value to their direct marketing campaigns. Today I'm going to cover who should use informed delivery, why marketers should use informed delivery, how does informed delivery work for marketers or business mailers, and what marketers or agencies need to know about informed delivery. Business mailers, marketers, or agencies representing clients who are mailing letters, packages, catalogs that meet USPS informed delivery regulations and who want to get more touch points from that campaign should use informed delivery. If you're mailing any promotional or marketing mail, I can't imagine a good reason not to opt in for informed delivery and to take advantage of this free channel that over 30 million Americans have opted in to receive and that currently enjoys an average email open rate of over 60%. Here's why marketers should use informed delivery. Let's start with a bit of a downside. Do you know that without your intervention, your mail piece will appear in the email as a low-res, grayscale image? Not the best view of your brand, and I tell anyone who will listen, agency owners, brand managers, students where I'm presenting, do not ignore this. Uploading your full-color mail piece image with a resolution link to your landing page should be part of your brand management planning. Here's the upside. First, this is a big opportunity to add another channel to your mail campaign. By simply prepping the artwork and uploading it through your mailing service provider, you're adding additional touch points for anyone on your mailing list that has opted in. Second, you've recaptured control of your brand. When you add informed delivery, the full color images of your piece will appear at the top of the email rather than the low scale, low res, grayscale image. And remember, these emails usually arrive in the inbox before the mail piece is even delivered. So you want your first impression to be a good one. Also, the USPS orders the emails so that it shows the full color images at the top. So your mail piece is much more likely to be seen. Third, you're able to add a resolution link for immediate access to your landing page. Users often post discounts or coupons or any kind of promotion here, and the email recipients can save that email and reopen them to get back to the landing page anytime they want via the email. I don't know about you, but I see this in stores all the time. Fourth, while the USPS maintains the privacy of the recipients, you will have access to the open rates, the click-through rate. Fifth, save on postage with the USPS informed delivery discount promotion. Depending on the time you're viewing this, you may still be able to take advantage of a USPS promotion and save up to 2% on postage simply by participating in something that is already a good idea. How does informed delivery work for marketers or business mailers? If you're mailing marketing mail or a direct mail piece, you have the opportunity with informed delivery to switch out that grayscale scan for a full color image of your marketing mail piece, which will appear at the top of the email Or you can add a beautiful ride-along link below, and that resolves to your landing page. Or you can do both. The reviews from early adopters have been really positive, with a 91% satisfaction rating and 96% of the participants checking their email daily for mail notifications. I've enrolled both as a customer and as a business mailer, and I can't imagine any marketer worth their salt not taking advantage of this opportunity to add another touch point to a campaign. Here's what marketers or agencies need to know about informed delivery. You need to mail something to use an informed delivery email. Your mailing list is uploaded and matched to the email database held only by the USPS. So your ad and the links will appear to anyone on your mailing list who has opted in to receive the informed delivery email from the USPS. You may be surprised at how big that database really is. As of March of 2021, there are over 33 million people who have already intentionally opted in. This is easier to understand if you yourself go and opt in as a consumer. Go to the USPS website and sign up to receive informed delivery now. You will understand a lot better what it looks like. So what will your customers see in their informed delivery email? When you upload your full color image along with your link to the landing page, your email recipients will see your full color mailing piece at the top and your call to action button with a clickable link embedded to your landing page. If you choose not to participate in informed delivery email when you mail, informed delivery participants receiving your mail will see a grayscale image of the front of the envelope of your marketing mail or your package that you've mailed. And while this is still informative for the recipient, you've lost the opportunity to market to them in a different channel and left them with a less than desirable view of your brand. What will you, the marketer, see? The percentage of those on your mailing list who have opted in to receive the informed delivery email. You'll see a weekly report of the open rates and the click-through rates. And please remember, this channel is currently reporting an average of 60% in the open rate. So how do you get started with informed delivery? What are the requirements to do an informed delivery email? First, you need your mailing list, your image built to USPS informed delivery specifications, your call to action and resolution URL, your completed landing page for approval by the USPS for their regulations. And again, you need to get that information online at USPS, or put links below to help you out. In my opinion, this adds real value to mail, especially marketing mail. Doing nothing means that your brand is appearing in front of potentially millions of Americans in low-res, grayscale images. And it seems silly not to take advantage of this powerful channel. Check the links below and dive in. Here's a bonus. You can save up to 2% on postage by running a campaign that uses informed delivery or emerging technology promos that are offered by the USPS. You must register and have the mailing approved in order to qualify. I've put links below to help you understand more about that and how to get registered to receive those discounts. The emerging technology promo is currently running and ends on August 31st. The informed delivery promo registration begins on July 15th and it runs through November. The actual mailing must drop between September 1st and November 30th of 2021. In my opinion, this discount is an excellent incentive to try a program like this out. Depending upon the size of your mailing, a 2% discount on postage can really add up. That's it for now. If you have any questions or you want to speak with me in person, that can be arranged. I'll put the links below. And thanks for logging on today and checking us out. And if you didn't already do it, please like and subscribe.